Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can check whether our PC can run Windows 11 or not. So that's been said, let's get started. For that, we have to download one application called PC Health Checker. For that, open your browser and search for Windows 11 PC Health Check and open the link from microsoft.com. Here you can see upgrade to the new Windows 11 OS. Just open this link. Don't worry about the link, you will get the link in the description box. This is the official website from where you can check Windows 11 feature. Now to download the PC Health Checker application, just scroll down. Here you will find all the specification regarding Windows 11. So this is the page from where you can download PC Health Checker. Here you can see it is coming soon because I had already used PC Health Checker application. Instead of coming soon, here you will find download option. Just download the PC Health Checker application. Here we have our minimum requirement like 1 GHz of dual core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, graphics card and resolution. And here we have one feature called TPM. We need to have TPM version 2.0. So just download PC Health Checker application. Here I have the application. Simply open this application. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply accept the license agreement, then click on install. Now just open the software. This is the interface of PC Health Checker. Here you will find all your PC information like your RAM, storage and how old your PC is. And here you will find Windows updates, storage capacity, startup time and more. Here you can see introducing Windows 11. If you want to check your PC requirement, whether your PC can run Windows 11, then simply click on this check now option. And here you can see this PC can run Windows 11. Great news, this PC meet all the system requirement for Windows 11 and it's free. We will let you know when it's ready to install. If you get this type of window, that means your PC can run Windows 11. When it will be available, you can easily upgrade Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 for free. Instead of this, if you get this PC cannot run Windows 11, that means your PC cannot support Windows 11 software. This way you can check whether your PC can run Windows 11 or not. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.